Still got a whole house I can serve out. I'm the team captain, spinning forward, however it's turned out. While the boys hit all the...
Hey, my baby dolls.
Hey, y'all.
I got a special guest in the building.
Yes.
Jazz is back. Y'all haven't seen her in a minute on my channel.
I swear.
It's been, what, since your birthday?
Yeah.
We was doing crazy things.
Okay.
Oh shit, my mask.
Girl, I need to put it out.
Hey y'all, we in Target. We're about to have a little girls adventure, girls night. Do we need one of these? I'll get a buggy. I'll get a buggy, yeah. Alright y'all, we about to get some tequila.
Yes.
And we're doing nachos. Yep. We're gonna have a little girls night. Get a little drunk, get a little tea. Corvette. It seems like we gotta go to the liquor store. They don't have the Don Julio like they usually do. Okay. Oh, there it goes.
Did you find the juice?
It's small though.
What kind was it?
You want that one? What? This one. This right here.
That's the dark one.
You want the dark one?
Yeah, I wanted to try that one.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, we're gonna do the dark then. We're gonna do the dark.
Oh, did you want to go?
Everybody been drinking this tequila, like it's so good. Like that one right there.
I heard about that.
Okay, y'all. So we're gonna try this tequila.
Gift card?
No, this tequila right here because everybody been trying this and they say it's good. So we're gonna get fucked up off this. We trying to figure out if we need some more liquor.
I want to say yes, but at the same time, I want to say no. Like,
We can.
what's that?
Cause okay, look, we can go. We can.
Oh yeah, we could get the small one.
Yeah, just swallow this and one of those. All right, y'all. We're gonna get the Don Julio. All right, y'all. Oh. We finna go. I'm hungry. We finna make these nachos. We finna drink. Which we finna get tired. Okay. We finna get fucked up. So we end up getting the Casamigos. Child, I'm glad we grabbed one because somebody had came right behind us and grabbed one, and it's all gone now. They're all gone. So it's gotta be a hit. We're gonna try it and see what it do. We smackaholics because we trying to figure out if that's enough. If that's enough for us.
We gotta make sure it's gonna fill us up. We gotta
So I think we're gonna be good though. Take some shots, you know what I'm saying? I think that's right. Come on, see.
I leave out the same way, like.
Yeah, just make sure you stand on your side, because one side is going up, one side is going down. You don't want to crash into nobody. Then we gonna be fucked.
They gonna be fucked because I'm doing hit and run.
No, not a hit and run. Alright, you guys, we're back in the motherfucking house. We about to get lit. We about to get turned. You know what I'm saying? We about to do the nachos. We're gonna do a drink. We're gonna do a shot, Jazz. We're doing a shot. Yes. More life. I'm about to change though, cause I like to be naked. And this shit too tight. Cause she thick. Where the music at? Hey. Alright, y'all, we got our ground turkey. You know what I'm saying? We got our Velveeta. So she told me that Velveeta is good with the nachos. So I got this from her. So we're gonna try it with the Velveeta. We're gonna see. This was her doing. And then the diced tomatoes we're gonna add in here. Oh, we got original. We ain't get hot.
Yeah, we did. Fire roasted.
Where it say?
Right here.
Not on this one?
I thought you wanted one regular and one.
No, I said we can do hot.
I thought you wanted one hot and one regular.
Girl, I ain't say that.
That's what
Cause you was like, you want to do hot? I said, yeah. We can spice it up. Let's spice it up. I said that. It's okay. We got both. And then we got the spicy nacho and the regular nacho. Okay. Huh? And the lemonade, strawberry, and regular. We finna do a shot of that right now.
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna get the purple shot. I'll get the orange shot since that is your favorite color. Still, right?
You mean the purple?
Yeah, for you.
You said orange.
I said orange for me and purple for you.
Okay. Yes. Get a friend that knows y'all. Get a friend that knows y'all.
She's trying to tell me out now. Alright, this for you.
Yes.
Okay. And then let's open this bitch. Grab that because it's not. Just grab the camera. It's just sitting on top of it.
Oh shit.
Just grab the camera. It's just sitting on top of it. We're not even drunk yet. Okay.
Okay, you first. You want yours filled up all the way to the top?
Stop.
Okay.
Right there.
You ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Okay.
What we cheersing to?
New beginnings? I don't know.
Okay.
New beginnings?
New beginnings.
1, 2, 3. Oof.
This bitch is just calm. Like, she's like, bitch, you doing too much. It's not even that serious. But now I felt that in my chest.
Now I can feel it in my chest too.
That's my phone ringing.
Okay.
Girl, I gotta tell you, it was tea.
Come on,
Girl, y'all, my flower's dead. Don't even pay attention to that. Alright, let's see how this about to go though. With the cheese, I'm excited. Let me get another video. We're gonna do another shot. This big enough, or you want something bigger?
What's that for?
The cheese.
Oh, that's fine.
You know me? Start cooking the turkey meat.
Put the pan like this. It's supposed to be upward and you twist it not sideways.
Who said that?
My mama. She said it's supposed to be up like this. And then I don't want to break it.
Let me do it then.
Okay.
That's what I know.
Yeah, she said you're supposed to set it up.
Want to make you a drink?
Hell yeah.
Okay. Let's get this motherfucker show on the road, period. I'm gonna make us a drink. We got this Simply Lemonade for this drink. And she's starting on the cheese. Want a knife? Or something.
You want me to use this one?
Yeah, you can. Or this one. You need a big one? I know you like big things.
Ooh. I bitch know we well.
I'm gonna go ahead and make us a drink.
Is this one enough?
I think so. Let's start off with that first.
Yeah,
That should be more than enough. Yeah, I still feel that drink down my chest, and she don't feel a damn thing. So. You want strawberry, right?
Yeah. I'm glad we did get it down here.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. And you know, when you have no food on your stomach, you feel it more, way quicker. Alright, y'all, I'm about to start on the ground turkey. And we're gonna listen to some music and get lit while we do this. What's this?
I know you heard about G last year, just play with me. Had 2-3 surgeries, the young gangsters can learn from me. The I dream about burning.
Hey.
I told him pussy home saying so high.
Ooh. Alright, y'all. We so lit. We so lit. We so lit. Let me taste it. It was hot.
It's hot enough.
Yes. Let me tell y'all what we did. So we did the Velveeta. And we did this. Diced tomato and green chilies. The fried roasted, which is the hot one. And we did the original. We added that. And we added... What's the other one? Where's the other one at?
He might threw it away.
Okay, damn. Okay, I ain't finna dig in the garbage. Well, we added some nacho cheese. I think I got another one up here.
You do?
It's right there, so I can show them to him.
Okay.
And we added this nacho cheese sauce. This is really good. This is really good. And
That's
we added it onto it.
Yeah.
That's why I told her, like, this right here is what I normally use. It has more flavor. So...
You ready to eat?
It's good.
Oh shit. It's
Okay. So we ready. Okay. Oh, we got so much cheese, y'all.
Yes.
It's so much cheese. I'm about to drown my shit because I like a lot of cheese with my nacho.
Hell yeah.
I don't know about y'all.
Period.
Bitch, I'm lit. Bitch, I got lit. We're gonna mix the spicy nacho and the regular nacho cheese.
Yep.
Doritos. We're gonna make another drink. How we gonna do this? Wanna take another shot real quick?
Yeah.
This is shit I like. If y'all ain't got friends that wanna take shots and go crazy and just, you know what I'm saying, then they ain't your friend. Okay? Alright, let's do this. Okay. Bitch, you gonna help me? How much you want?
Okay, that's enough.
That's good. Okay. Ready? What this gonna be to? More money, bitch.
Yeah.
More motherfucking money, always. Period. Okay. Oh my god.
I don't know if my eyes can like stay open.
Let's eat those looking for full.
Yeah.
Full this liquor that we got in our system, cause low key I haven't ate all day. On my finger, yeah, you lit. I ain't really had nothing really. So
God, it's about to be so good.
it's about to be so good.
So
I thought she was gonna put your shirt on.
God damn. I forgot.
Go ahead, go ahead.
I forgot all about the shirt.
I got no stick. Let me add some more cheese. Let me add some more cheese. I like to drown my shit in cheese. I don't know about y'all. Yes, I did. Oh my god, look at that shit.
Yep.
Woo! We did that. We did that. We did that, bitch.
How's it going, man? Good to meet you. Actually, you want to take a look at my pops?
What are you?
I've been a fish on the general and a fish. Check it shit out. I just got the rope from you. I hope you can see the middle. Throw it up if you don't bang, throw it bang. Cause it started with my blood, it took the blood. If I could rap and I still got a whole rap I can serve. Cut the light on, black ass man. Cut the light on, man. Then why are you not here?
Why not her?
Oh, well, yeah.
Good morning. It's the next day. I wanted to end the vlog off here. Thank God I don't have a hangover. I'm great. I'm gonna call Jazz too right now to see if she's okay. Don't mind my crusty lace, y'all. I need to just take it off and redo it. I got up this morning and I started editing this vlog. So I'm just finishing off this vlog today so I can start on something new and get this up for y'all. Cause yeah, I needed this last night. I needed laughs. I needed it. It was so good for my soul. I might drink again today. I might, you know, getting my vibe again. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this vlog as much as I did. I enjoyed myself last night. I really needed some just a fun time, good energy, good vibes, and Jazz is always here for that. I don't know if y'all know, but me and Jazz been close since high school, and it's rare to have a friend that lasts that long. You know what I'm saying? Like, and stick around, and it's not like a on and, I mean, we did have our on and off, but it wasn't like it was on and off because we beefing or anything, but we was always here. You know how you always have that friend that's just there? Yes, she's one of those friends, you know what I'm saying? Like, never switch up type of friend. That's when you know it's a real friend, when there's no switching up. Okay? We never had one of those moments. And it's just real genuine, and those type of people is very hard to come around. I'm about to actually call her right now to see if this girl is good. She should be fine, because we was just texting this morning. She didn't say anything about her having a hangover, but let's see.
Oh my god.
This girl stays in the dark. Look, I can see my reflection.
Girl, I'm not in the dark.
It said poor connection.
Oh my god. Okay, now I gotta call me back.
Okay.
Okay.
This girl was in the dark. I don't care what nobody say.
I'm not in the dark.
How you feel? You good?
Yeah. I don't even feel like going to the beauty class stuff.
You just want to lay there and chill?
Yeah.
Who the hell I'm gonna drink the rest of this tequila with? Because we still have a bottle left.
Girl, a half a bottle. Girl, I can't believe we drank that much.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe we really thought we needed another bottle. That's the funny part.
Girl.
Who the hell needed another bottle?
That because we never tried that bottle before, so we estimated. Like, we didn't think like it was gonna be that strong.
Girl, let me show the people. Let me show them how much we have left. This is how much we have left, y'all. We did good. And we got turned early, so after we ate, we kind of crashed. We went to the car.
Man.
It got stuck in the car, sitting there like just, oh my god.
We should have thought about using the car.
Yeah, I forgot to bring my camera downstairs.
Yeah.
I think I want to get some more of these nachos though. We still got hella cheese left. She should have took her some with her.
Mine's a drink.
But I just wanted to call you to see that is it for today's vlog. I'm about to finish editing so I can get this out for you, baby dolls. I love you, baby dolls, so much. I'll see you, baby dolls, in my next video. Bye.